Today we're going to tell you what to do if you drop your iPhone 5 in water and your best chances of keeping the phone alive after it gets wet. If it gets submerged in water, gently shake it out a little bit. And next, you're going to remove the two bottom screws from the bottom housing and proceed to remove the glass. This glass on this particular iPhone 5 is a little shattered, so we're using a razor blade to gently pry up the sides. Okay, you can see a lot of condensation and moisture inside the device. So what we're going to want to do is first and foremost remove the battery. Once you remove the battery, place that and dry it off a little bit, and then place it in some silica gel or dry uncooked rice. What that's going to do is it's going to help suck out any moisture that's inside the battery. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to disconnect the LCD and the digitizer and place the LCD and digitizer into the silica gel. Next, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you unhook any connections on the logic board. When you have connections, it can cause corrosion between the logic board and the device. Now that you've removed all the screws from the logic board and disconnected all the topside cable connectors, you're going to want to remove the logic board from the housing so that any kind of liquid that might be pooling up in the back housing gets a chance to dry up. If there's any moisture on the outside of the logic board, you'll want to dab it dry with a lint-free towel and then place the logic board itself into the silica or rice. Let that sit for 24 to 48 hours and reassemble, and that's going to help your chances of having a working iPhone 5 be in your favor.